Hello, this is David Lehman with As the Key Turns. I wanted to show you a spot since I'm on vacation. This is where Terry Green committed his horrendous murder. I wanted you to understand what it was like there. Look down this road here. Over that ridge that we're looking at is where the murder of the poor fella's mom took place, where she was raped and murdered while lying next to her son, and then Terry and his friends tried to murder him. It was right out here. And just behind us is the freeway. I didn't want to go down this road because it's kind of rough, and I'm not driving a rented vehicle like he was. It's a lot more built up than it used to be in the old days, but it's still mighty, mighty desolate out here. Just take a look. This is what I'm talking about when I say mighty desolate. Even there's some wires from the wind farm that's a couple of 100 miles from here, but this is the desert. This fellow had to crawl through this to get assistance, and this is the place. Now, this is the first video I've ever made with my phone, so if it doesn't sound great or it isn't lovely, it's the best I can do with what I got. Okay, just thought I'd show you where Terry Green did his horrible crime. And if you haven't seen the video of Terry Green, by all means, look it up. It's really something. And that's the road that he drove down.